I am in the process of replacing my knob sound mini amplifier for my BTS1 bass shakers, and using this kind of like do-it-yourself board amp that has well, they say 10 channels, but three of them, only eight of them are addressable. Three of them are on the same channel. As in the point three, meant for like, subwoofers and stuff. So I can get up to eight addressable ports or channels on this through SimHub. So basically, I just took this board, made an enclosure, and I'm going to be adding these to my pedals. So I got two of these little pucks, just 3D print a bracket to put that up against the pedal. So that'll work out. That should work out nicely. I've already got the bass shakers; those are working out beautifully. The only thing I haven't done is I only have two of them, and I have one under the pedal plate, as I said before, and right under, kind of mounted under the seat, not up against the seat, but on the kind of seat tray under the profile rig. So, but that is working out pretty decently. The only upgrade that this would allow me to do, because I've got now 8 adjustable channels, is I could put, including the two pucks, I could add 2 more and put them at the corners, kind of feel the, like whenever tire goes on the rumble strips and stuff like that, or in the curb. So, that's kind of cool. So in the process of this, of course, this is just a board, and I just don't want to like strap this to, profile rig, with some zip ties or something. I decided to make a little enclosure with Fusion. I actually taught myself how to use it via Udemy videos, and I kind of like the end result. So I've got a few risers right here. Keep the board off the bottom. I printed this with PLA CF, so there's some carbon fiber injected into the filament. So I actually did these little washers, regular PLA, so just in case, so we don't have any like conductivity, with the carbon fiber happening. So, but it should be good as long as you keep it on the screw mounts for the most part. So that should work out. So I got a couple areas, just for ventilation. And then I'm actually using banana plugs. So I just got a couple from Parks Express. I put all like 8 adjustable channels here. I'm only wiring up 4 of these for the time being. So when I show that part off, you'll see that. And then of course the mount on the rig right here. I really wanted to have all rounded corners on this, not to make it kind of nice, and a little bit stronger. Chamfers for these little screw holes here. Probably could have moved those in and just made this a little wider, but I wanted to keep this kind of compact. So, and then of course, the little cover, and on this, when I was developing it, I actually mounted the board inside of it, so I knew exactly where to put this little square hole with its little fillets on the outside there, for the fan to blow out the hot air, because otherwise I'd only have those side ventilation, and this fan does like kick on, quite a bit on it. Not sure how programmable that is, but it does kick on, so it does get decently hot. I just got to make sure over time, I've had this, kind of like running for like a few weeks, and I have no issues with the PLA deforming at all, because PLA does have lower melting temperature, but it seems to be working out pretty well. So, yep. So that's pretty decent. So I'll show that actually like the assembly and the installation show that's working. Thank you. Bye bye. I finally got together with my designs. I just ended up putting a piece for the fan. Keep it open like that, but on the sides I have some grids on each side. mounting plate for mounting up to the 80/20 profile, aluminum profile. I only installed some of, like 4 of them for the channels for now. Later on, I may go and open this thing up and add those other 4 channels if I actually need them. But right now I've only got 2 bass shakers and 2 pedal shakers. So that's all installed for now. I got a toggle switch in the front. Yep, so all designed from Fusion, not 360 anymore, but AutoCAD Fusion. Yeah, so excited to learn some of that for this project, but turned out pretty good, I think. I've got it mounted on the side, just with a few T-nuts and M6 bolts. So then I have the switch up here, so I can just reach in and turn it off standby and turn it off again whenever I need to. When I'm ready to start everything up, so I have to do that with the wheelbase and Arduino-based units, like the flight box, the dash, and of course the button box. And then if we'll go around and have it mounted right on my monitor stand. And I have a couple banana clips, clip those things in place. And in my design, I had to drill this out because I forgot. Sometime I did Control Z and I lost a little hole right here, so I just drilled that out for now. I'll add it to the actual design later on. But yeah, that seemed to work out pretty good. And definitely punches harder than the old knob sound. And here's the cheapo PSU I got off the Parts Express, but that seems to work pretty well, at least with the 2. I'll be adding pedal for the throttle and the brake. Just have a couple of pucks to put on the back of those. Kind of feel the TC and the ABS, but that's what that brick looks like. So that actually worked out pretty good. As I add more drivers, we'll see how that holds up. But all right, thank you.